It stood out to me, unraveling its meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might come across in conversations, books, or movies. It stood out to me. Understanding such phrases can really help you grasp the nuances of English, making your conversations richer and more engaging. So, let's get started and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English. First things first, let's break down the phrase, "It stood out to me." At its core, this phrase is used to describe something that was noticeable or remarkable in some way. It means that among several things, there was one, or a few, that caught your attention because it was different, interesting, or unusual. To put it simply, when you say something stood out to you, you're highlighting that it left an impression on you because it was distinctive in some context. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a conversation about art. Among all the paintings in the gallery, the vibrant use of colors in one painting really stood out to me. 2. While discussing a book, the character development of the protagonist stood out to me. It was so well done compared to other books I've read. 3. During a presentation feedback, your innovative approach to solving the problem stood out to me. It was quite impressive. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts to express that something was particularly noticeable or memorable. It's also helpful to know some synonyms or related phrases, so you can vary your language or understand when others are expressing a similar idea. Here are a few. Caught my eye, was striking, made an impression on me, was conspicuous. Using these alternatives can add variety to your speech or writing, while conveying a similar meaning to, "It stood out to me." And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "It stood out to me." We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this phrase for you, making your English learning journey a bit more colorful. Remember, noticing how and when to use such phrases can really make your English stand out to others. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.